Dear students, welcome back to Bosco Campus Vision. Today I am here with the paper Methodology and Perspectives of Humanities, which is the core paper for 6th semester BA English students of Kerala University. This is the 4th lecture of the series. In this video lecture, I would like to give you a description on the topic Humanities and the Sciences. So we are all familiar with different streams of knowledge like philosophy, history, botany, geometry, physics, dentistry, linguistics, etc. So there is an unending list of knowledge. Can we categorize these into any special groups with certain criteria? Okay, in olden days, these knowledge are broadly classified into two broad categories. They are humanities and sciences. So it is the case, it is the classification in the time of olden days. So this different knowledge, these knowledge are classified into two different categories. They are humanities and sciences. So let's have a discussion on science and humanities in this video lecture. The first one is science. What is science? Science is a systematic study of nature around us. It helps us to understand, explain, and predict the natural world. So what is science? It is a systematic study of the nature around us, and it also helps us to understand more about it and explain and also predict the natural world. So actually there are a lot of fields of study that explain and predict life around us, but all are not treated as science subject. In science, the method used in scientific study which distinguishes science from other subjects. See, what are the different features of science? The first one is science is a systematic approach. So through various steps we are doing a study in science. So it is a systematic approach. Next one is science produce testable hypothesis. So testable hypothesis, that is through empirical observation and arriving a conclusion. Next important feature or characteristic of science is it gives paramount importance to reason and truth. So when you are going through a scientific knowledge, you can find certain reasons or you can find certain truths behind the principles. So science gives paramount importance to reason and truth. Next is it tries to analyze data leading to results. So in science you can see facts and results. So the scientists or the persons who deal science, they arrive certain conclusion or result by analyzing the data, systematic data. So all these are the different features of science. Simply, we can say that science is a pack of knowledge. And actually when we consider the word science, it actually derived from the Latin expression scientia, which means knowledge. So science is a pack of truth or knowledge. Next one is humanities. So what do you mean by this humanities? When compared to science, in science, the scientists look for definite answers to questions. While in the case of humanities, humanitarians, they are not in search of the particular answer, but they are trying to find an answer from the given variables. So there are a lot of questions like what is culture, what is truth, is capital punishment right or wrong, etc., etc. So These questions generate many answers which are then subjected to further discussions. So, in the case of humanities does not limit studies to one answer. In humanities, for a question, we get various answers. But in the case of science, for a question, we get only one answer. So that is why it differs from natural sciences. The humanities are about human mind, its unpredictable nature, and how human beings interact with one another. So this is very important. You can say that humanities are about human mind, its unpredictable nature, and how human beings interact with one another. Humanities employ reflective or critical methods which distinguish them from sciences that make use of empirical methods. In the case of science, the scientists or the person who are employing science subjects, they are make use of empirical methods. But in the case of humanities, humanitarians or the persons who employ humanities, they employ reflective or critical methods. That is why it distinguishes from humanities. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understood so far. With this, I am concluding today's class. Please do the homework and send to me. Thank you. Have a nice time.